Chapter 8, Beginning of Settled Life. Girls, we are going to begin with this new topic of our EVS2, and in this chapter we are going to study and understand the social organization and the culture of these village settlement. In the previous topic we have seen that man have already started developing or living in village settlement. He formed his village and he started living in groups. So now in this topic we are going to study about the culture and the tradition of this village settlement and the beginning of his so-called settled life in one place. So the points that we are going to cover in this topic is beginning of domestication of animals and agriculture, special skills and various occupations, community life based on mutual cooperation, structure of houses, village settlement, kinship, and family. So, these are the 5 points that we are going to cover in this chapter. So, in today's video lesson, we are going to cover with the first point, that is beginning of domestication of animals and agriculture. Of this, we are going to study only about the domestication of animals today. In the beginning, domestication of animals. Domesticated animals like the dog, goat, sheep, cattle, buffalo, etc. are useful to man in many ways. There are 3 main steps to domesticate any species of animal. Now in today's day, we have modern techniques, we have training schools for animals where you could train the animals and follow the technique, because we are well literate and we are educated, so we understand new ways of how you could train an animal, specifically if it's a animal or you can say a wild animal, then it is very difficult to train such animal. So in the initial stage, when man started having pets and started domesticating animals, it was very difficult for him. So there were 3 main steps which he had to follow if he had to domesticate or rear or take or keep an animal under his care. First one was to capture wild animals. Second, taming the captured animals, that is training them to live with humans, otherwise they would eat up the humans if they were not trained. Third, obtaining useful materials like milk etc. from them and training them to work for humans as beast of burden, the one who carries the burden of man. So basically these were the 3 steps that were followed to keep any animal as a pet. So when the third step is achieved, the animal is supposed to be completely domesticated. Domesticating animals and keeping them for our own use is called as animal husbandry. What is animal husbandry? It's an occupation. And what does it mean? That you domesticate animal and keep it for your own use. In the 6th lesson, we have seen that dog was domesticated in the Middle Stone Age. The dog is the first animal to have been domesticated by early humans. Dogs were used to help in hunting. They were wild dogs, so they used to hunt down an animal and they used to help the human beings to get the meat of the animal. The goat and sheep were domesticated next. So after dog, the next animal that was domesticated or that was a part of animal husbandry was goat and sheep. That's all for today. Thank you.